Hello everyone. In this video, we'll see equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions means equivalent fractions are fractions that represent the same value even though they have different numerator and denominator. Means, see here, 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4, which is equal to 3 by 6. Here you can see numerator and the denominator both are different from each other, right? But still these three are equal because multiplying or divide the both numerator and denominator by the same non-zero number, then it gives the equivalent fraction. Means for 1 by 2 I am multiplying both the numerator and denominator by 2. Here multiply or divide both the numerator and denominator means this is compulsory. Both numerator and denominator should be multiplied or divided by the same number, which is non-zero number. Please note this point. You have to multiply or divide a non-zero number. Here I am taking 2, right? 1 into 2, which gives 2. 2 into 2, 4. Means 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4, right? We can simplify further. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, which gives 1 by 2. Therefore, 1 by 2 equal to 2 by 4 equal to 3 by 6. These all three fractions are equal. These are called equivalent fractions. Suppose, let me take another example. Here 1 by 2, here 4 by 8. Let me write 4 by 8. Just now I multiplied by 2 and 2, right, in numerator and denominator. That's why I'm getting a equivalent fractions. Now I will divide both numerator and denominator by the same number. 4 by 4, 8 by 4, which will give us 4 divided by 4 will give 1. 8 divided by 4 will give 2. So which means 1 by 2 equal to 4 by 8 also, or 4 by 8 equal to 1 by 2. Means if you are multiplying or dividing, anything you can do, multiplication or division, but take the same number, same value, but that should be a non-zero number. Okay, here are some example. 2 by 3 equal to 4 by 6 equal to 6 by 9. 2 by 3 means just I am multiplying 2 on both numerator and denominator, which gives 4 by 6. Means 2 by 3 equal to 4 by 6. 4 by 6 means 2 2s are 2 3s are, which gives again 2 by 3, right? So 2 by 3 equal to 4 by 6, which is also equal to 6 by 9. 3 2s are 3 3s are, which gives 2 by 3. Basically what we are doing for 2 by 3, we are multiplying 3 on both numerator and denominator. That's why we are getting 6 by 9. So these are called equivalent fractions, even though they are different in numerator and denominator, but still they are equal. If you bring them to simplified form, then each and every fractions will get the same value. I mean, here I wrote 1 by 2, which is equal to 2 by 4, which is equal to 4 by 8. Suppose assume these three are equal, right? If I bring them to simplified form, means we have to divide to get a simplified form. 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. So all are giving 1 by 2 only, right? So if we bring back them to simplify them, then we'll get the same fractions. So even though different in numerator and denominator, they are equivalent. Here are some practice questions. Write 3 equivalent fractions of 1 by 2. For 1 by 2, let me multiply both numerator and denominator by 2, which gives 2 by 4. And you can multiply by 3 also, which gives 3 by 6. Multiply by any number, I am multiplying 4, so it goes 4 by 8. Means 2 by 4, which is equal to 3 by 6, which is equal to 4 by 8, and which is also equal to this fraction 1 by 2. So just multiply any number on numerator and the denominator, or you can divide also. And we are done with this. 3 equivalent fractions for 2 by 5 also. 2 by 5 multiply by 2, 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10. 2 by 5 multiply on both numerator and denominator by any number. Let me take 5 only. 2 5s are 10, 5 5s are 25. 2 into 6 divided by 5 into 6, which gives 12 by 30. So these three are equal. 4 by 10, which is equal to 10 by 25, which is equal to 12 by 30, which is also equal to 2 by 5, because from this only we are generating these. These all four are equal. Right, for 3 by 7 also, just same process. 3 by 7 multiply by any number. Let me take 2 only. 3 2s are 6, 7 2s are 14. 3 into 3 divided by 7 into 3, same number. 3 3s are 9, 7 3s are 21. Means 3 by 7, which is equal to 6 by 14, which is also equal to 9 by 21. Like this you can generate another one also, multiplying same number on numerator and denominator. Are 2 by 3 and 4 by 6 equivalent? Yes, because just multiplying by 2 we will get these two answers. Is 5 by 8 and 10 by 16 equivalent? Yes, because if we multiply 2 we will get 10 by 16. So these are equivalent. Here are some practice questions. Please try to solve and let me know the answers in the comment section. We'll see you in next video. Thank you.